Okay, so now we want to look at string comparisons. They're pretty straightforward. The thing you need to realize is that these are in alphabetical order. They call it lexicographical order. However, that said, you need to worry about uppercase versus lowercase. So uppercase all come before the lowercase. So we'll look at a couple of those. So we'll use our banana again. So we've got banana in here as fruit, and so we'll just do something like if fruit is less than well, let's just check that it's equal, I guess. So if fruit equals banana, then let's print equal. Okay, so we should we got our equal there. But now, you know, it does pay attention to uppercase. And let's go with, we could do a else here and print not equal. And so with the uppercase B, we run that, and you see we get not equal because uppercase B banana is not the same as lowercase b. And then if we check, well, what if it's less than? If it's less than, let's put less than. If it's not, then that would be greater than or equal to, because that could possibly happen. And so if we run this, fruit is greater than, you know, so it's not less than banana, it's greater than or equal to uppercase banana. But just to make sure we get this idea, let's put a uppercase Z in there, zanana. Everybody loves zananas. And you know, so before it made sense that maybe if it was uppercase b, it could be less than the lowercase b might be less than the uppercase b, or greater to, one of those two. You know, it was greater to because we always go to uppercase letters first. And so here, though, see, it doesn't matter if that's a B, a Z. If it's uppercase, it comes before the lowercase. And now let's look at something like, here we've got banana, but what if we call it one banana, like that, put a 1 in front of it. How does that compare to the actual word banana? it's also greater to. So see, it does the numbers first. So if you got a 1 in front there, it does those first. But on the other hand, if you put the 1 at the end, well, we'll have gotten through all the characters of fruit, banana, and then we've added a character which is a 1, so this should be less than. And so it is, it's less than. And now we could check one more thing, I think. So let's look at, let me copy this and put this in place of the fruit. And what if I call this 10? Then probably banana 1 should be less than banana 10, but you sometimes have to be careful about some of those things. Let's go with that. So less than, let's check it. And sure it's less than. But what about banana 2? Is that less than banana 10? And you see, no, it's not. Because it came down here, it checked all the letters through banana, and then it checked the 2 versus the 1, but the 2 is bigger than the 1. And so that's why you'll see me with a number of file names and so forth. If I know I'm going to be going to 2 digits, I'll use the 2 digits and put that space or 0 in front of there, because now the banana 2 is less than the banana 10. Okay, so those are some things you have to think about when you compare strings. So it is lexicographical or alphabetical order, but some things are not alphabetical. So for instance, I could try, how does like a percent sign in the string compare to a 1? Is that less than banana 1 or greater than banana 1? And it's less than. So the special character percent actually comes in ahead of 1. If you're looking for things like special characters or using them or whatever, it'd probably be good to make sure you know lexicographically where those characters come compared to the numbers or the letters. Okay, so this is less than. The percent is less than the 1. Okay, so I think that'll do it for string comparisons.